Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do invoice uploads in Xero. So the first step we want to do is to make sure that we're logged in to our Xero account. And we are because it says Xero sign up. Okay, great. So we're going to go to reports and we're going to select report designer and then design accounting reports. So now we're going to select all the fields that we want. So in this case, we're going to select invoices. We're going to make sure our date range is exactly what we want, which is this month of June. So down in the attributes, we're going to select everything that applies to what we want to upload in our invoices. So we're going to select name, date, due date, invoice number, line amount types, and in the line items, we're going to go ahead and select all of the attributes we want. And then we're going to select status and then type. Also, I want to note that the total is also going to be calculated in your invoice upload. Changeable settings, we're going to go ahead and make sure everything's right. I don't want a title, so I'm going to go ahead and deselect display date range. Then I'm going to actually select a field, and the field I'm going to select is type. And what this does, it basically narrows down my search. And I'm going to go ahead and select account receivables. And I'm going to add this filter. And it's basically just going to narrow down my search and pull the existing invoices. And then fields 4 and 5 are actually all set. So I'm going to go ahead and execute this. So now your screen should look something like mine. And I'm just going to go ahead and double check that all my data is here. Excellent. Okay, so now I'm going to select the data that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and just select, 17 and 18. Okay, so we're going to copy the data and put them in lines, top 2 lines, so 2 and 3. And then because I really don't need the rest of the data, I'm just going to go ahead and select and just delete the rest. So now once this data is all deleted and I have the data that I want, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my status is authorized. Now this is important because if your status is paid, you're not going to be able to upload your invoices to Xero. You need to make sure that it says authorized. So now that it says authorized, I'm going to go ahead and select the data. I'm going to go over to extensions and click G-Accon for Xero. And this time I'm going to go ahead and select upload accounting data. And this step is just going to work to upload my invoice to Xero. I'm going to make sure that all my fields are correct, and they are. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is kind of like a information data set. And what this does, you're just going to have to make sure that all of your selected attributes and fields are correctly put and they match up with your data. And they are. So I'm going to go ahead to this bottom one and make sure everything is good. So we're all set to execute and save and continue on. Okay, so once this is all completed, your results are going to be in lines N, which is right here. Okay, so now to double check to make sure everything is good, these are basically hyperlinks, and they're just going to take you to your Xero account, and you can check both. But yeah, they should be, your invoices should be uploaded to Xero. That's it for today's video. Thank you and have fun.